Newark, New Jersey found itself at the heart of a national controversy on May 9, 2025. The day started like any other, but it quickly took a dramatic turn. The city's mayor, Ras Baraka, was arrested by federal immigration agents. This unexpected event sent shockwaves through the community. The arrest occurred at the Delaney Hall Immigrant Detention Facility, a place already under scrutiny for its treatment of detainees. Mayor Baraka's arrest has ignited a firestorm of debate and raised serious questions about federal authority and the treatment of immigrants. The community's response was immediate and intense. The incident has drawn widespread attention and condemnation from immigrant rights groups. Protests erupted across the city, with demonstrators demanding justice and transparency. Civil liberties organizations have also voiced their concerns, emphasizing the need for due process and the protection of individual rights. The arrest has become a flashpoint in the ongoing national conversation about immigration policy. It has sparked heated debates on news channels and social media platforms. Many are closely watching how the situation unfolds, as it could have far-reaching implications for the future of immigration enforcement in the United States. Mayor Baraka's arrest was the culmination of a visit to the Delaney Hall facility. He was accompanying 3 U.S. representatives, Bonnie Watson Coleman, LaMonica McIver, and Rob Menendez. All 3 representatives are Democrats from New Jersey. Their purpose was to conduct a congressional oversight visit of the facility. The representatives' visit was unannounced. However, a spokesperson for Representative Watson Coleman stated that such unannounced visits are perfectly legal. Members of Congress have the right to visit such facilities to conduct oversight. However, the situation escalated rapidly upon their arrival. The Department of Homeland Security has accused Mayor Baraka of trespassing on federal property, a charge that has sparked significant controversy and debate. They allege that he ignored repeated warnings from Homeland Security investigations to leave the premises, despite clear signage and verbal instructions. Interim U.S. Attorney Alina Habba stated that Baraka's actions warranted the arrest, emphasizing the importance of respecting federal boundaries and protocols. However, the representatives and their staff offer a starkly different account of the events, suggesting that the situation has been misrepresented. They claim that they were conducting a legitimate oversight visit, which is a routine part of their duties to ensure transparency and accountability. They assert that their actions were entirely within the bounds of the law, and that they had every right to be on the premises. A spokesperson for Representative Watson Coleman described the DHS's characterization of the event as a bizarre political stunt aimed at discrediting the officials involved. The spokesperson maintains that the group did not storm the gate or break into the facility, as alleged by DHS Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin, but rather entered peacefully and lawfully. Section 4. Delaney Hall, a detention facility under scrutiny. Delaney Hall, located in Newark, has been a focal point of intense debate and public outcry. The Delaney Hall facility itself has been the subject of much controversy. Protests have erupted outside its gates, with activists and community members voicing their concerns. Formerly a Newark prison, Delaney Hall has been converted into an immigrant detention center. This transformation has not been without its challenges and criticisms. It is operated by the private contractor GEO Group, a company that has been at the center of numerous controversies. GEO Group has faced criticism over its management of such facilities in the past. Many have questioned their practices and the conditions within their centers. Allegations of human rights abuses and substandard living conditions have plagued the company. Reports of overcrowding, inadequate medical care, and poor sanitation have surfaced. The arrest of Mayor Baraka has brought renewed scrutiny to Delaney Hall. His detention has sparked a wave of media attention and public debate. Immigrant rights advocates are demanding transparency and accountability. They argue that the facility's operations need to be more transparent and that those in charge should be held accountable. They are calling for a full investigation into the facility's operations. The demand for justice and reform continues to grow louder. Section 5. Unfolding drama, implications, and uncertainties. The arrest of Mayor Baraka is the latest development in a long and contentious national debate about immigration. The incident has brought to the forefront the tensions between local officials and federal immigration enforcement. It has also highlighted the plight of immigrants detained in facilities like Delaney Hall. As of today, May 9, 2025, the situation remains fluid. The charges against Mayor Baraka are pending, and the investigation is ongoing. The outcome of this case could have significant implications for the future of immigration policy and the relationship between local and federal authorities.